Hi, Paul.
Hey, Rahul. Sit.
Right, so the preparations are on. We are almost set for the event, and I think the team has done a fantastic job, and we're just looking forward to welcome our channel partners tomorrow.
I mean, this is our third event, and we've really got to make sure this is a big success.
Yes, we
Our
will.
channel partners are such an important part of our future, and they'll really drive us in terms of helping us meet our end customer goals.
Yes, Paul. We'll ensure that the event goes really well, and it is kind of an experience they had in last 2 meets. This will be more than that, and it will be very different for them.
Fantastic. Andy just called me actually,
Okay.
and he was very excited to hear about this new initiative that we're bringing forward
Oh, is it?
about automation champions. We
Wow.
need to make this a success.
Yes, definitely. This automation champion is going to be a game changer, and we'll ensure that it is presented well. Yeah, right.
Fantastic.